how's it going YouTube? So I thought that I would just do a really quick video of the vlog setup for this new bit I've just bought. So basically I bought myself one of these off eBay. It's just plastic, it's nothing special. The only reason I bought it is because I thought that it would make this a little bit lower, and it's also a little bit shorter than what I've originally got. So yeah, I thought I'd make a quick video and we'll see how it looks afterwards. That's how it is at the moment. So I'll just get my GoPro bag, because I keep everything inside it. It's a really handy backpack to have, the Seeker. You know, after using it for a couple of months now, it's got everything in it. You know, you can store what you need in it. I bought this little hard case as well, just to basically when I'm traveling with my GoPro, I just break it up a bit, put it in here, and then just close it, and it's nice and protected. Also keep my dead cat in there so it doesn't get squished. It's a nice hard case. I just keep my basic tools in here as well, just for changing it out a bit. So this is to take these bits off, take the Allen keys out of there. I find I've got the Allen key bits because they just fit a bit sleeker than the thumb screws. Like for the bits down here that I'm not gonna alter, then you know, I don't need the big thumb screws. I can just make do with the Allen keys, and it makes it look a bit nicer, a bit neater. It's also probably a little bit lighter as well. Not that it'll make that much difference, but every little helps. So we just take that out, take the mount off, put that to the side. That's what we're going to do here. We're going to take, to be honest, because these are set different ways, like these ones, this one is like that. So because this will now be flatter, and it's also a different direction, I won't need this adapter bit here. So I can actually just take that straight from the thumb screw and just disconnect the 3.5mm adapter. Just take that off. And clip that from the mic, might as well just move it out of the way. So I'm just going to undo this thumb screw. I'm recording this on my iPhone, by the way, because obviously, you know, I need to use my Hero 6 to do this. Just take that thumb screw out of there. Just slides out nice and easy. And then for this bit, how am I going to do this? Yeah, I'm going to have to take, because I still need all this adapter, I'm going to have to take this Allen key out the bottom. So I use my smaller Allen key for this one. Right, so that's the old one, and this is the new one. So you can just see the size. Just hold on so you can see the size difference. So it's quite a bit smaller. So it should make the void that I had in between the camera and the microphone a bit smaller. I think we'll put it on there. Yeah, I think what we'll use is, we use the, or should we use the flush mount? I think we'll use this just because it's black. I just think it looks a little bit better. New adapter. It's just a cheapie I bought off eBay. It's nothing special. It comes from China. You know, I mean, you can buy like machine cut metal ones, but this is just the plastic. We'll see how it goes. If it breaks, it breaks. I'll buy a metal one next time, but you know, I don't think it's going to be under that much stress. I'll just nip it up. I'm not going to go mad because it is just plastic on plastic, so you don't want to over tighten it and snap it. But that already looks a million times better. I just hope it's going to give me enough clearance for the microphone. It should do. that's gonna, see that's already, the case is touching at the back. What I might have to do actually, that's fine, because this you can twist. Right, so what I've had to do on this is just tilt it, because I'm gonna have to, because that's not meeting up. So now that I've done that, that should give me enough clearance to put that level. And then it also might bring the microphone down a bit, so it sits a bit better. Right, so we'll just tighten that up again at the new angle. Just pinch it. So what we can do now is that will now sit on that. We'll be able to get it nice and level. So for that I'm going to use a thumb screw, just because, you know, we might need to alter the angle of the GoPro, and it's easy just to, you know, loosen that and that sort of thing. We also need to tip it forward to get the camera out, to get the memory card out. So then what we have here is that will then go onto there, and that's got like the little curve that way, so it should help with clearance issues. So just line that up. I'm going to put, we're not going to need to alter that, so there's no point putting a thumb screw in the bottom. So I'll just put this flush fit one in there again. Just tighten that up. It's the wrong Allen key. I'll just tighten that up. There we go. Right, so that, because that can swivel because it's on that mount. So that is now sitting like that. Just open it up. So right, cool. Now we've got that on. That's sitting a lot better, I think. You know, even with that angle, it's still making the camera sit nice with it. It's not, you know, it's not touching. It's not going to rattle into it. It sits at a nice distance actually. I'm quite happy with that. So that's now not a lot lower than what it was before. So then what we can do now is this will sit a lot more snug. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this bit yet. I probably will come up with something for this in the future, but it's always an ongoing project. So that can now, see, that's a bit tight really, to be honest. Is it better? No, it's not going to go that way, is it? No, it's going to have to go like that. So that's going to have to sit like that, and that can go up there. I don't know how that's going to stay, whether it will stay up there, I don't know, but it seems to be, you know, a lot nicer fit. It's a lot more snug. It's, you know, it's fairly balanced still. It just brings the whole profile of it down a bit. So it should, you know, I think it looks a bit neater. It's a bit sleeker. It's, you know, it's still fairly well balanced. Might just need to alter the ball on this a little bit just to get it dead straight. But yeah, that is pretty much the gist of it, of my new little shorter bit, and I think it works quite well. It's got a nice bit of clearance there. So yeah, also I've decided not to go for the Rode Micro, although the sound qualities are very similar between the Go, which is what I've got, and the Micro. The Micro is basically, it just comes down to, although this is bigger, it's the actual holder for it, whereas this has like two bits. The Go only has one, and apparently it vibrates quite a lot. Whereas this, I've had this out in quite windy conditions, and it doesn't really go anywhere. It moves like that. It will vibrate a little bit, but it doesn't jolt about, and you don't pick up the sound. You don't pick up the sound on it. So I think I'm going to keep with the Go, and yeah, we'll see how we get on. thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date. I'm going to keep doing updates like this every time I want to tweak it a little bit. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.